I am Sister Roda Pescadero, the in charge of the community of Saint Paula Montal of Cogtong, Kandihay, Bohol. I am deeply grateful to the Lord for this canonical visit of our Mother General Ason and Madre Consultant Valeria. This is a time of grace for all of us, and we feel that we are deeply interconnected with the whole institute.
I am Sister Robelin Academia.
I am Sister Perlita Sikuya.
I am Sister Diana Azores.
I am Sister Noviana Taco.
Thank you for everything, Madre Ason y Madre Valeria.